Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD and touchscreen assembly on the Samsung Galaxy A23 5G mobile phone. First, need proper tools to open the device, which are listed in the description. Next, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the edges. Be careful not to overheat, as this can damage internal components. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap along the edge of the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the cover. Carefully insert a plastic car pry tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Once the adhesive is free, gently lift and remove the back cover. Next, remove the camera lens and frame using a pry tool. Next, undo the 16 screws in the midframe and then eject the SIM tray. Next, use a plastic car pry tool to create an opening to separate the midframe. Be gentle and work around on the edges to free the plastic clips. This process will take time. While pulling out the midframe, be gentle. The fingerprint button flex is attached to the midframe. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, unplug the fingerprint button connector from the logic board to release the midframe from the body. To replace the LCD assembly unit, first take out all parts from the body. First, take out the battery from the body. Next, disconnect the two antenna heads and the LCD plug from the logic board. Next, undo the screw securing the logic board and gently pull the logic board from the body. Next, pull the speaker unit using a pair of tweezers. If it is held in tight, apply heat to loosen the adhesive. Use a heat gun or hair dryer for the heating process. Next, gently pry out the volume flex cable from the side of the frame. If it is held in tight, apply some heat to loosen the adhesive. Next, disconnect the LCD plug and undo the screw holding the charging port board. And then gently pull out the charging port board with the two antenna cables. Next, pull out the vibrator motor by applying heat. Now, the only remaining part is the broken front screen assembly with the frame. When selecting a replacement screen, you'll find several types on the market. The most common and reliable option is the original service pack screen, which includes the frame and all components. Another option is the original screen without the frame, but installation is more complex and time consuming, and durability may be a question. You'll also find refurbished, used and aftermarket screen and available both with and without the frame. For a durable repair process, I recommend choosing a screen that comes with the frame and components, whether it's original, refurbished, used or aftermarket. This option is widely available and greatly simplifies installation. Next, on the new screen frame, begin reinstalling the removed components. First, place and secure the earpiece on the new frame. Next, secure the volume flex. Next, place the logic board on the body and secure the board by adding the screw. Before adding the screw, make sure all cameras are in place. Next, secure the vibrator motor. Next, place the charging port board and then secure it by adding the screw. Next, secure the secondary LCD plug to the charging port board. Next, secure both antennas on the frame and connect them to the logic board. Next, secure the battery with adhesive. Next, secure the LCD plug. Next, secure the fingerprint button flex. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, before closing the device, turn on the device for testing. Next, place and secure the midframe by adding 16 screws. Next, secure the camera lens frame. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, secure the rear cover to the body using bonding clips. If bonding clips are not available, you can use rubber bands to apply even pressure. Leave them for some time to ensure proper bonding. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.